Welcome back to the channel, everybody. I got a great new exciting video for you today. I have the Razer 15 Advanced Edition. This is actually one of the most expensive notebooks I've reviewed thus far. I'm pretty excited to see what it looks like, how it performs from a thermal standpoint. So this is going to be an unboxing and first impressions video. Let's roll. Peek in here. So actually Razer's running a promotion right now where when you buy an advanced edition on some of their select models, you actually get the Razer Hammerhead True Wireless earbuds. So we'll see what those sound like. Hopefully that is not an indicator how loud this is and that you need to be running these. So we'll see if that's actually the case, but excited to take a listen. But let's get to the meat of it. So this is the unit here. All right. So I purchased this one for about $4,500, including the warranty. So let's crack this open. All right. So it does look like, we have to slide this one out. That's the power brick. Nice packaging. All right. So that is the unit there. Not too bad. Feels very solid. You can feel that it's a metal design. Looks like some manuals. I'm going to say those are not important. Nope, doesn't look like it. Not today, at least. So let's crack this open. Let's see what's inside here. All right. So of course we got the snake emblem, the Razer emblem. Feels good. All right, let's open this up. First crack at it. All right. So this unit is an i7-10875H, so 8 cores, 16 threads, has 16 gigs of RAM in it, a 300 hertz screen. Now that's pretty impressive. It's supposed to have a great refresh rate, 100% on the sRGB, or up to 100%. I say up to, so we'll see actually how good that actually holds. The other really critical feature on this that I'm excited to test is it's an RTX 2080 Super Max Q. So actually see whether or not this actually can hold up as one of the fastest GPUs out there. So we'll have to see. I'm excited to test it. So let's take a quick peek at some of the other features. So really large trackpad on it. You can see here. The keyboard is per key RGB. The other thing that this is nice, it has this nice metal aluminum finish all the way through. All right, on the other side, so we have HDMI out, USB 3, USB-C, as well as your standard SD card reader. All right, on the other side, we have our headphone jack, USB Type-C, 2 more USB 3 ports, and of course our power connector as well. So initial impressions, very thin, decent weight, and of course we do have the one finger open, which is very nice. Has a webcam. I believe it can do Windows Hello, so we'll take a look at that and see if that holds up. So we have a power brick here. Let's see, we have a 230 watt power adapter. So turning it around, we got two fans on the bottom with vents, and then it looks like the exhaust out the back. Now this one does have the advanced cooling in this advanced model, which features the vapor chamber. So that's supposed to give an additional cooling capacity. So we'll put that through its paces and see how cool it is, but more importantly, how quiet it is when it's running the big 2080 Super that's inside of it. I'm excited to see what that's going to look like. One of the things that I really like about this is the all aluminum chassis. Still quite lightweight for the 15-inch frame that it's in. Really thin bezels all the way through, and it looks very premium. A lot of the other notebooks I've been testing have been, either a mix of aluminum and plastic, or all plastic in some cases. So this is a nice change. One thing that I will say right off the hop, though, is that it is picking up fingerprints already. So that is likely going to mean that it is going to be a fingerprint and dust magnet. So I'll let you know in the review how that actually fares over a few days. But overall, I have to say it looks great, and very premium finish and feel to it. Looks like there might be some issues with fingerprints, just already seeing them showing up all over. And I am kind of concerned about the cooling. This thing is a very tiny unit. If you take a look at this is very thin overall. So this was a quick unboxing of the Razer 15 Advanced Edition. I'll be doing the full review in the next few days. Give me a chance to put it through its paces, get some benchmarks on there, see how the battery is, and come back and give you some thoughts. So hope you liked the video. Please like and subscribe. I'd love to hear some feedback. I've changed up some lighting, some audio. I love to make sure that you're getting what you guys want to see of the channel. And till next time, bye for now. Wow, this thing is nice.